Hello everyone, welcome again in the live session. So in today's live session, we are going to work with again application development. As you all know that applications we are making in a four-step process. So there is a four-step process. One, you need to define what actually you're going to make. So today, as you all know, with the topic, we are going to make whack-a-mole game. What is this exactly? Whack-a-mole game is actually there is a picture and that picture will rotate on the screen, and when you touch on the picture, you will get the point, right? You can make the advanced version of it. You can have two pictures. One mole can give you the plus points and one mole can give you the minus points, but the pictures remain same. Yeah. The second step is you will start designing. Third, you will do the code. And at the end, you will test your application on MIT App Inventor. So on your phone, you can definitely download MIT App Inventor, okay, where you can test your application. So the very first thing is that we are going to make the application. So I'm just going to share a part of my screen where you can see what actually design look like and how we design it. So if I play this is actually a mole sprite and it's moving around the screen. Okay. So below I can see there is a score, a label, another label like which is increasing, and this is my button. This is my canvas where this mole sprite is moving. So I give the canvas color and I have image as a mole sprite. So this is the basic design we will start with. I'm going to share my MIT App Inventor software. So you can also open this link. I am going to share the link in the chat box. If you don't know how to open, you can go here and you can log in with the Google, okay? And you can continue making it. So let's come here. As I already told you, that first is the design part. So when you come to drawing and animation here in this section, you will have one section that's canvas and you will take this canvas. Okay. Afterwards, you will go with the properties of the canvas. So these are the properties, and I'm going to set the properties of my canvas. First thing is the background color. Let me make same background color, orange color. It looks very small because I'm not giving it a height and width. So I will give fill parent as a height and fill parent as a width. So this is my canvas look like. Okay. I have iOS device. So I'm just moving my screen to iOS so that it'll look like that. The second part on the canvas, I will have image sprite. So for the image sprite, what I'm going to do, I will open the new tab and I will take mole image. No, I will take any cartoon images. Okay. So you can definitely take any image as a cartoon character. I will take this image as a mole sprite. So I'm going to click on Save Image option. but this is AVIF file, so don't save AVIF file. Always go with JPG only. Okay. This is again WebPG. Let me apply a filter that it should be JPG. Let me search for JPG pictures. So I will take this one. Save image as. Yes, this is a JPG image. I'll save it. Now I want to remove the backdrop for the picture. So I'm taking remove background and I will click on this very first link. I will directly send you the link of removing the background in the chat box so that you will not face any problem to remove any image background. Okay. Afterwards, it will ask me to upload. You will click on upload image, and wherever the picture is, you will just upload it from your computer. So here you can see you have a picture. It has no backdrop. I will download this picture. After downloading, I will come back to MIT. So now I have a picture which has no backdrop. Okay. So I'm just coming to the media section here below and I will click on upload file section. Okay. So when I go to upload file, I will select my file. Just now I download it. So it will come with name remove backdrop. Okay. Because this is the file you took where you remove the backdrop. Now this file is on the software, but I'm not taking it on the particular sprite. So I'm coming with the image sprite, and for the picture, I will select this and click OK. So this is my picture, okay, a mole sprite picture. But I want this mole sprite picture should be smaller in size. For that, I need to set the width and height as 50 and 50. I'm going to change the backdrop color as well because the orange and yellow, it looks same for this. So I'm making it blue so that this mole sprite will display nicely onto the screen. Okay, I guess this is fine. So what I want is, I want this mole sprite has to move randomly on the screen. And at the base, I will make the labels. Okay, so for that, I will go to layouts. I will take horizontal arrangement and I'm moving it down here, just down to your canvas. Afterwards, to the horizontal arrangement, the width you will give as fill parent. And the height I'm going to set as 50. I think 50 is fine. Yeah, this is absolutely fine. I will take one button arrangement also. Let me minimize it a little bit. So I will take this button and move it over here to the horizontal arrangement. I will take label to the very first and other label to the second place and button to the third place. So for label 1, I will write text score S will be capital and this should be bold. The font size will be bigger. So I'm making it 70. 70 is a lot. I'm making it 25. Yes, the score is 25. And label 2, I'm going to write 0. The font size is 25. And this is in bold. I will take other label to make a space. I'm not writing anything in it. I'm just giving width as 50 pixel to the label. Okay, so that it differentiate the score from year to year. Now I'm coming on the button, and on the button, I will write reset. So when I do reset, it will set my score to 0. So I'm just making it bold, and the size I will take as 25. It's fine. And the width, I will give it as 100 pixel. This is absolutely fine. And it should be center. It should be center. Okay, it's arranged so well. The button, I will rename it as reset button and click OK. And the text color I will take, text color I will take as dark gray, but background color I will take as yellow. Yeah, this looks cool. Now also horizontal arrangement color I want to set. So again, I want it to be yellow in color. This seems good. Okay. So my design part is absolutely ready. You can see all the components, whatever you design here. Okay. All components. Here is a heading. If you can see my marker. And here you can see that first I took canvas. Inside the canvas, I took image sprite. Then I took horizontal arrangement. And inside the horizontal arrangement, I'm taking 3 labels and 1 button. And this button, I give it a name as reset button. Okay. So this will be the final design of your application. After doing the design, you will come to the block section. So in the block section, here you have the blocks. If you have ever used Scratch, Pictoblocks or any block-based coding, then you know very well that these are the sections, and from these sections, you can take out the blocks. Next, you have all the components, whatever the components we have. Okay. Afterwards, what will be the next step? The next step is I want my mole sprite should run randomly. For that, I need a component. Okay, so I will come back to design part and going to sensor. In sensor, I will find clock because I want this clock to move randomly of my mole sprite. So I'm just moving it here, but it will not display on the screen. This component you can see just below the screen. And also beside, in all component section at the end, you can see this component. So this is also very important. Let's come to the block section. I want my sprite should move random. So of course, I will take when clock dot timer is going to start. Then what happened? I want my mole sprite X position and Y position to set as random. So I will go to my image sprite and I will take this dark green color block. So set image sprite 1 to 1.x, and I'll do duplicate of this same block image sprite dot y. Okay. Now, what I am going to set for my image sprite, I want random integer. I want to pick random integer number from 0 to the canvas, like it has to be inside the canvas only. So I'm just taking random integer block. I'll do duplicate, and here I will write random integer from 0, and for x also from 0, for y also from 0. What are x, what are y? Suppose this is your screen. X is, this is your bold sprite. It will go randomly to left and right. Okay. It can be showing here, 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 here. Means in left and right or in horizontally. It can pick any number. Okay. Whatever the number I'm giving. But I also want that it should not go beyond the canvas. It should be inside the canvas size. So what I'm going to do in case? In this case, I will take minus operator from maths. So this is minus operator block. I'm putting it. And again, I will go to the math and taking this minus operator, and I'm just deleting this one. Okay. As I already told you that I want my mole sprite should be, mole means my sprite, image sprite should be inside the canvas only. So what I'm going to do, I will do canvas dot width, means whatever the width of my canvas, it will move from 0 to canvas width. But I also want that my mole sprite should completely come inside the canvas. So what I will do, canvas width minus sprite, my image width. Okay, so it will minus my image width as well, right? So that it can fit inside the canvas as a perfect frame. So I'm doing the same thing. I will go to my image, and I will take this block. Mm -hmm. I will select first a parameter, then only it will fit. Okay, so image sprite dot width and canvas. So for canvas, you need to go in canvas and take this block from canvas. Canvas dot width means, suppose this is my canvas width or total. This is my picture width. So if I'm saying that till canvas width, from 0 to canvas width, so what happened? My picture can be here, my picture can be here. So sometime I can see only eye, sometime I can see only face or hand only, not the body. So for displaying the body, I'm saying that you should minus the image width from the canvas width so that it can show completely in a frame. Okay. And the same thing I'm going to do over here. But this time it is not the width. Of course, as I told you, X is for the width, but Y is for the height. Okay, Y is for going up and down. So for Y, you will change it to height. This will also be the height. Okay. So with this, what happens is that your image sprite will move randomly. Okay. Your mole sprite will move randomly. So what I'm going to do, I will check this much first. Okay. And then I'll show you the next code. Let me join. Let me open MIT. And I'm going to share my phone screen this time. Just give me a minute. Mm. So this is my screen, and let me scan the application. So when I do scan, you can see over here, see, if I'm just moving it here, this is my mole sprite. This is my mobile phone screen, and my mole sprite is moving randomly. It's not doing anything when I touch the mole sprite. Why? Because I did this much code only. Okay, I'm just doing close project. Now let me show you what will be the next part. So I'm going to share my screen, my mobile screen, and the screen has to stop. Okay, what is the next part? The next part of the code is I will go with the block section. This time I want that whenever I touch the sprite, then there is one variable that is going to change. So for that, I need to make the variable. We'll go to variable, we will initialize variable, and I will give the name of the variable score. And this score I will set as 0 initially. Okay. What is the next? The next is when I touch the image sprite, then the score will increase. So I go to image sprite, and there are a lot of block. See, collide, this, but I want touch block. This one. Okay, you will take touched block. When you touch something, then set global score to, you'll go to math, get global score +1. The same thing you will display to your label 2. What is label 2? Label 2 is this one, 0, where you have written. You can rename it as a score for easy understanding. So this one is your label 2, and you made it as 0. I come to the block section. So I go to score, and I'm taking set score dot text to get global score. Means when every time you touch that, it will be getting the global score. I also want some sound should be here when I touch the mole. Okay. So for that, you can take other like in social sensors, I guess. Let me take mm, media, I guess you will find sound. Yes. So you will go to media and take sound as well. Because I want to add some sound also. So I'll go to sound and I want some vibrate sound and how much here you need to give the number for the vibration. So I will give 80 a number like when I touch it will give me the vibration and afterwards I will make a reset button. So exactly when you do with the reset button, when you click reset button, what will happen? Oh no, it's blocked. Here it is. So when you click the reset button, you will set your variable value to 0. So it will be now 0. And this 0 you will display on the score. So this is a score dot text and get your variable value. So this is the complete code for your whack-a-mole's game. Okay. Now I'm going to share my screen again and will show you how it works finally. So let me connect and I'm going to share my screen. And I'm connecting it. Hard reset. Yeah. Let me cancel why it is not coming connection one. Mm, Actually, the scanning screen is not coming. Why? It should. Mm-mm-mm. Refresh companion screen. Let me check over here. Hmm. Yeah, it's coming. Okay. So as you all can see over here, yeah, it's moving. Now I need to touch. So when I touch, there is one vibration and you all can see my score is 1. When I touch again, my score is 2 now. When I touch, it's 3 now. It's 4. It's 5. And when I do reset, the score become 0. Yeah. What is the next idea? what you can do next? The next thing, you can make another mole sprite for you. Okay. And that image sprite can have minus score, and you can take, different color as well. So just try this out, because this is really interesting. And I give you the concept, but I want you to practice as well. So do practice, make things, just add on more mole sprite to it, and make it more interesting. Send us the things, whatever you are making, on our Instagram channel. You can even post on your channel and tag us, right? So that will make us more happy, that our students, or those are not actually our students, but they are trying, they are learning. Yeah. So I'm just requesting to at least our students, please try, just show these kind of application to your teachers and make them happy, because we are very happy to see whatever we are making, you're also making, but a little bit more efforts. So yes, everyone, learn like this way always, and be happy. We will meet again in the next live session.